timer who's got Alzheimer's, so who is your son now? You've got no memory about your family, so who is your son now? You can't remember back in September, so who is your son now? No one predicted who you evicted, so who is your son now? You've forgotten who you've begotten, so who is your son now? It's not logical, I wasn't prodigal, so who is your son now? On the seashore, are you so sure of who is your son now? Amongst the kelp, you're like a whelk, so who is your son now? You just lied, it is low tide, so who is your son now? You are stranded and you're rebranded, so who is your son now? Time will tell, you are a shell, so who is your son now? Let's end the puzzle, you're just a muscle, so who is your son now? You're an old-timer who's got Alzheimer's, so who is your son now? You got no memory about your family, so who is your son now?